So it's about 6 o'clock in the morning, the day after the killer snowstorm, and I just finished shoveling. You can see we got a little bit of snow, but not as much as they said. They lied to us again. You can see on the wood pile, that's probably about 8 to 10 inches. But I'm guessing that's a snow drift, because I mean over here it's a little bit deeper. That's easily a foot. It's right up to my leg, or the top of my boot, I should say. You can see my truck warming up out there, ready to go on an adventure. See what other disasters are out there. This is about what we got right there. So there's a cup of tea. I don't know, what is that? 10 inches? Yeah, that's 10 to 12 inches, I guess. On average. I mean, there are some spots that are 2 feet. There are some spots that are, 4 inches. So, but this is the half-assed way to do your driveway. I just did 2 channels right down the center. It's one of the few cars out, mostly plow trucks and everything else, but it was really cool last night, or I should say early this morning, when the full moon was out and it was reflecting off the snow on the water. Very, very nice. So this is the main road, and that's why I love snowstorms, because everybody stays inside. And you can see they have snow cover on the lake as well. I'm not going to walk down there. That's all filled with brambles and stuff. But so more later on when we adventure. You guys want to go for a ride? Come on, let's go. No, on this side. Over here. Over here. Watch out, guys. Don't do that. Here. Ready? No, over here, bud. Come on. Up. Up. Good boy. See, Fatty here. Fatty here can't... he refuses to jump up. It's not that he can't.
This is WNYC, FM and HD New York. Just keep listening.
Brother David Stendhal-Rast is a beloved Benedictine monk, writer, and teacher. He's now nearing 90, and I traveled to Austria to speak with him. Brother David says mysticism belongs to us all, and he shares his full-blooded, reality-based practice of gratitude, which is increasingly seen by science as a key to human well-being.
Now, don't speak of the gift, because it's not...
Okay. That's not going to happen. That program is terrible. The ladies of fruitcake. It's what was it, 7 o'clock on the day after the storm, which is, I don't know, what are we, January like 20-something, 3rd, 4th, 24, I think. And here's the aftermath of the deadly storm. I just drove to my nearest, the highest point around my house, and I launched a drone, which I will probably clip into this video to add more boredom to it. And anyway, so the drone got up. I probably got it up 100 feet, and all of a sudden all the batteries just shut down. I kept it out in the car last night, so all the batteries are frozen, so I need to warm them up before I can actually do anything. Check this face out right here. Watch this. What are you doing, Kilo, huh? What? Why do you look so guilty? What did you do? Huh? Okay, I know. But sun's coming up, and it's gonna be nice, and I'd like to get the drone up there. You can see the sunrise out in the distance. But this is all we got. I woke up this morning, and the roads were basically, they're actually bad up here, but down closer to my house they're fine. So they actually did their job, at least in front of my house they did. And I don't know, just looking around, I would have to say that it's probably, the average is probably somewhere around a foot. There are definitely areas that have more than a foot. Not too many that have less than a foot, but there are some. You know, we're probably 200 feet higher up than where I am, and I would expect them to have gotten a little bit more snow, but I'm just seeing the same stuff. And it's not too bad, you know, there are no cars on the road, hardly any cars on the road. I've been up since, you know, whenever. I'm hoping to get some stuff done today. It looks like travel will be slower, but I think I'm not going to be shut out from doing anything, which is good, because there's nothing worse than just sitting around having nothing to do. But by the time I get home and get my batteries warmed up, the sun, I will have missed the sunrise. So unfortunately, I don't get the beautiful sunrise that I had anticipated. But hopefully I'll be able to launch it later and get some nice snowfall shots before the wind. It was dead calm this morning. I mean, the wind was dead calm. Not a breath of air. And now it's, well, also that I'm at top of the hill, it has picked up a little bit. It's kind of getting on the breezy side. So I don't know if the wind is going to continue to pick up. But when I woke up, I was up early this morning. I was up probably around midnight, 12:30, 1 o'clock, somewhere in that range. And the snow had stopped at that point. So it's been, so for 6 hours they've had the opportunity to plow. Now you can see, we've changed towns, and the condition of the road is just, it is so much better than it was, you know, 10 minutes, 5 minutes ago. So, but this is a state road, and I was saying before in a different video that every town is responsible for their roads, and the state does like their, you know, the state roads. This is a state road, and it was a state road 5 minutes ago, but I'm guessing that the trucks go to the line and turn around. It's starting to get foggy in here. I'm gonna turn some defrost on. So that's that. I'll see if I can't throw some drone footage in there, but so much for the killer storm of 2016.